Hello, this is our 105. This is the automatic loader. The material. This here is material auto loading for the hopper, and this part is talcum powder injection. From here, directly mixed with the material go to in the extruder. Here is our water jacket for cooling, because in front of this screw have heater. We let the temperature is cold here, and this is the GMS. That is the GMS pump, and here is the injection. For normal, is below the 20 MPa, and here is for the gas pump is here, green one, and here also is below 20, and that part is heater.换卷了。That is the heater, control the heating zone, and here also have cooling inside. Behind here is the only heater, and after there is cooling together, heater cooling together. And the first one is for the main screw speed, second is for the talcum powder speed. Here is the for screw changer. We use the China best brand is Goody. And here is for the deadhead temperature and the screw pressure. Here also have heater. Here is the die mount 2 part. Here the color one is the shipping drum. The machine wide. The product wide is depend on the die mount and the shipping drum. And here is the cutter knife, run knife with the motor. Here is the air fan control here, and here also have a blower. The air fan comes from here. Here is the expander. Here is the hall of units. We use the roller is 400 millimeter, and this is the rubber roller for pressure here. And here is the winder, 2 arms, have automatic and also can use the manual. You can see very straight here, very straight. This is low density. The density is about 18.